all friends and my dear student, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am sharing a simple speech for you for vacation of Republic Day. So you can add or change some words according to your audience or according to the situation you are in. So let's start, and if you found this video helpful for you, then do share your love by like, share, and subscribe. So let's start. Good morning, Honorable Chief, guest, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We all have gathered here to celebrate our 73rd Republic Day of India. As we all know, India celebrates the Republic Day every year on the 26th of January from 1950, because at this day India was declared as the Republic country, as well as Constitution of India came into force after independence of long year of struggle after getting independence from the British rule in 1947. India did not have its own constitution, so on August 28, 1947, a draft committee was constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to draft the Constitution of India. The Constitution was written by Dr. Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the Constitution of India. Then the Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. Since then we celebrate this day as a Republic Day every year. Republic means that the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public, has the right to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. For India, Republic Day is not only a celebration, but also a pride and honor, as the Constitution came into force throughout India and the Indian citizens got their basic rights. Today, we are living in freedom without any pressure in the society. The credit goes to the brave soldiers, martyrs, and all the freedom fighters of the Indian freedom struggle. So we must not forget the sacrifices. We should be a responsible citizen of India and take all steps for the country development and progress. Let us all praise today to do all possible efforts to make our country free from problems like terrorism, corruption, inequality, poverty, etc. It's a day that makes us think beyond the caste, creed, religion, street, language, and color, and we all have the same feeling and emotion for our loving country. Before ending this speech, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feelings about Republic Day, and I am proud to be an Indian. With this I conclude my speech. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.